Hi, 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 hi. Ask me where I am. I am at the rock. Um, niko kwa mlima. Sometimes it's getting shitty, sometimes it's just good. Sometimes you wake up good, sometimes yeah. Today I can't complain. I can't say that I'm happy, I can't say that I'm sad, but I can't just complain. I can say just only thanks. I'm still figuring out a way I'm bothered to talk up at least, just only to go to live also with other men out there. Just only to start making sense in the community and to my mom and to my dad and to my siblings also. And to the people who value me and the people who I value. I'm not really happy in the situation that I am right now. And that's what I want to change. Unajua, mwanaume kishai kuramba, ukapelekwa nyuma kidogo. But what do you do as a man? You have to stand up again. Because in this world, there is no room for quitting. There is no, like, you can't quit. Like, it's very impossible to quit. Even if you want to, you can't. It's just very impossible to do it. Cause sasa unaquit alafu. Like, it's just very impossible to quit. So you have to grind up to the last minute. So yeah, I'm still in my mother's place, still doing the shit from home, and still wanting to change the shit. Alone as usual, and self-isolation, which I love and which sometimes I don't love. Which sometimes I feel lonely and sometimes I don't feel lonely. Like today, ah, of late, I have no friend who calls me. Now I only had one friend and nikatry kumcall and alinicut off. Alinicut off. So alone and alone. A lot of silence in my mind. A lot of it. And in look around there, very many people, but socializing with them and having that good contact with them, like it's very hard, unajua. Also when you stay alone for so long time, so inakuwa pia very hard already pia to make friends. Na pia deep down uko willing, lakini pia inakuwa hard just only to socialize. So you end up saying, it is what it is, because now so unajikubali who you are and then now you move with the shit. Just relaxing. After trading the whole day, of course lazima ukuje upunge hewa. We didn't close the losses today. Not even one. Uh, Not even one. That's why I was saying thanks.